exhaust on this Honda Civic Touring. Now this is the 2019 Civic Touring, and we're gonna make it look into an SI or a Civic Sport. See the diffuser here? We're gonna get rid of that, and we're gonna put the Sport diffuser right there. So if you ever see the Civic Sport, you see it has an exhaust in the center. So this is gonna go right here. It's gonna go like that, and the exhaust is gonna be coming out the center. We're gonna put this on first, then we're gonna take it to the exhaust shop, get the old exhaust cut off, and we're gonna have the exhaust come to the center.
Okay, we are installing the diffuser.
It's over there, right?
Yeah.
Let me cut that.
No, you gunda ass. There's not a cat. Your cat is over there. So you're basically going from there back.
From there.
And you're like, you know, like Ali's car?
Nah, something like that.
Alright, so now we're gonna change this, and we're gonna put this one on. It's like the SI version, where there's gonna be the 3 pipes coming right here. So all you do is there's 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it should just pop off. So once you take those clips off, right there.
Oh, something like here.
Right there, there should be 1 screw there. 1 there, 1 there, and there. So there's 4 screws. So after we do that, we're gonna be so I think the exhaust, we're gonna be changing it from right here, right there, all the way to the back, and it will be coming as 3 right here. It will be 3 tips. We got that off. Yo, show it. This is the one we took off, and then this
pried
is
it open.
shh. And then this is the one we're gonna be putting on. So it's easy. It'll just be a clip on there, and then there's just 2 screws right there. 1 there on that side.
And then 2 at the bottom.
Yeah, and then there's the 4 clips at the bottom. Put it in. It should just clip right on. It'll slide there. You have to slide it there first, and then it should just. That's it. Slide it in and then hit it.
You make sure it goes.
That's it. Look at that. Look at that. And there we go. After a few clicks, it's good. The exhausts are here right now, but when we take it to the shop tomorrow, it should sit here. How is this exhaust gonna sit
In the middle, you fucking
How?
idiot. Oh, what the fuck is this?
That's your spare tire. Where the hell's where's your 3 pipes gonna sit?
It's gonna go
That you're
here.
so confident.
Through here.
I don't. Maybe
That's how they did it.
they went through this.
Yeah.
Whether Honda has it.
Or they're gonna go straight right this and they'll go up like that.
I don't know. Well, that's the tutorial for you guys. Pakistan's in the bod, as this guy would say.
Alright, we're here at the exhaust shop, Red Zoro Mufflers, and we're gonna be doing the Civic, the cat pack on the Civic, and we already installed the diffuser. So they're gonna do the cat pack, and once it's done, I said it take a couple of hours, so once it's done, I'll come by, pick it up, and we'll see how it sounds. You can see the exhaust can be right in the middle there. There's a little gap in the middle. There's the stock exhaust, and that's where it's gonna be. So let's head in and get the exhaust. Alright, so the shop did it, we got the car out, and the exhaust looks real nice. They did a quad tip setup. Oh man, that actually looks nice. Alright, let's turn it on. Let's start this up. It's actually nice, deep and rumble. Jeez, that actually sounds pretty nice. That actually sounds pretty nice. That actually looks nice. Jeez, that actually looks better. So now we're getting some drive shots and gonna see how that sounds. That sounds pretty nice. Quad tip and everything. Oof. Damn. Jeez. see underneath. So what? This guy. Alright. So they added the exhaust from the Cat, or halfway from the Cat. You can see they basically welded 3 or 2.5 inch piping, so I believe that's 2 inch, 2.5 all the way. They got rid of the resonator and basically the mufflers. So it's like that, similar to a Corvette. But yeah, if you look at the Touring or any of the other model Civics, they either have the exhaust on the right or the left, and the muffler is hidden in them. You can't see it. As for the Sport, you have, this is the diffuser, and you have it coming out right here. But anyways, he basically he added these. These are the 2 mounts, because they're not stock. These are the stock ones. He just reused those, and then they added the whole thing. That's the quad tip. I do like the quad tip, and it looks like, you know, like a Corvette and stuff, or even like you don't see a lot of Civics with the quad tip. You'll see like triple or dual, but you know, quad tip is different. But yeah, this is it all the way. Alright guys, thanks for watching. So that was us doing the exhaust on the 2019 Civic Touring. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our future videos.